So then we will start saying about the simple home remedies. Before going to see the symptoms and the home remedies, there are some common remedies, which is kind of the same remedy can be used for the cold, fever, something like this. So I will explain each of those common remedies, which can be used for the multi-purpose, and then we can see what the uh, individual symptoms and corresponding remedies. First, I am sharing the electric bomb. This word might be something new for many of you. In Tamil, we used to call Minsara Thailam. How it works, the name they named it because of how it works. If I switch on the camera, if I switch on the light will be the light will be on within a fraction of seconds. Same like this. If we apply this bomb, within a few seconds we can see the result. That was the reason they named it as electric bomb. So there are we can prepare this at our home itself. So its preparation method is very simple, and these are the packets I have displayed here. I have bought it from Pune only, so it's available in Pune also. There are three ingredients. First is we can see Bemisanic camphor, that is edible camphor. Many people might be wondering what is the reason for the Tirupati laddu smell something distinct, something different. So this is the main reason. It helps in all the traditional sweets. They used to add one pinch of this beans and camphor. Even the kheer, we can add it. So what its main objective is to reduce the chest congestion. So when we have the more sweets, it may cause more chest the cold accumulation in the chest. So when we add this one little pinch while cooking, that will help. That will take care of that. And another item is Thymol. Thymol is Thymol crystal. And the third one is menthol. So these are the three ingredients, how they look like. I have put here in the bottom. And I took the sample of 10 gram of each. These things are available in the online also. You can buy it from the online stores also. Or if you have any Ayurvedic medicals, you can try to enter. So some of the Ayurvedic medicals also, they will be having these ingredients. Just you have to mix all these things in the one bottle, and either you can use glass bottle or plastic bottle, and you have to shake it for 10 minutes. So when we are shaking it, it will become as a liquid, something like this we can see here. So how this will be useful? We can use it for the cold and fever, headache, all kind of body pain, knee pain, back pain, neck pain. So all kind of pain. This is the simple home remedies. And as a external, we can apply it on the chest, we can apply it on the forehead, we can apply it on the backside, and wherever the pain is there, we can apply over there. As an internal, also we can take it. We can take it with some hot liquid, hot herbal tea, soup, decoction. So in this, where we can add 1 drop of this electric bomb, and we can take it. And you might be wondering how this kerchief will play here. This is very, very simple and very beneficial. What we have to do, we have to take a 1 drop of this electric bomb and put it in the cotton kerchief, and we can inhale that for every 5 minutes. If you have the headache, or if you have the chest breathing issue, chest congestion, all these things, you can see the result within a few seconds. So I give a lot of direct sessions, right? So wherever I go, I used to prepare in front of them, or I used to prepare before the session, and I share with all the participants, and they at the spot they share the results for the pains, headache, all these things. They were showing the positive result with this one. The last one you can see, there is a mixture of coconut oil. This is very strong. which is not a mild. So some people will be having this mild, like soft skin. For example, if I take one drop and apply it for the headache here, the chest, and for the cold, I may not get any issue. But for the ladies and some kids, they might be having the soft skin, so they may get some irritation, and skin might be kind of little wounded. It may turn color into the black. So for them, for the sensitive skin, we can mix it with the coconut oil of the same quantity, and we can use it. Uh, and for the small infant, let's say 2 3 months or maybe 4 5 months infant, if we want to use it, we can take one drop of this electric balm and mix with the 10 times of coconut oil. So we have to dilute it much so that it we can be applied on the chest and the back. So these many ways we can use this electric balm.